If you're still keeping track of customers through emails, spreadsheets, or even paper notes, that's just not the way. Monday CRM takes that stress away by putting everything in one place. It's a no-code, fully customizable platform that helps you manage your entire sales cycle with ease. Anyone familiar with CRMs can easily get started with Monday. But if you're new and don't know how to manage your clients on Monday, we made a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Monday CRM to maximize your sales. If you haven't signed up for Monday.com yet, it's pretty simple. Just head to the Monday CRM homepage, click Get Started, and follow the prompts. You'll pick a plan and answer a few quick questions. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. Now let's show you a quick glimpse of the interface. The layout is more or less the same as other CRMs. The top navigation lets you check notifications, invite members, tweak your CRM settings, and quickly search for anything. What's different is the product switcher. As you know, Monday has multiple products other than CRM. If you're working with any of them, you can jump between them easily without leaving your CRM workspace. On the left side, you'll see all your sales tools. Monday has all the basics, but they've also added some extras that make it different. The first one is Sequences. This lets you automate your customer interactions, from emails to phone calls. If something needs your attention, you'll get a reminder. You can also track all your emails in one place with mass email tracking. One feature worth mentioning is My Work. If you've got multiple boards and pipelines, keeping track of tasks can be tough. My Work gathers everything assigned to you in one spot, so you don't have to dig through different boards to find what's next. Then all the key features, contacts, dashboards, and more are laid out clearly. Stick with us, and we'll walk you through how to use them. After getting to know the interface, our recommendation is to organize your contacts. When you first open up the Contacts section, you'll notice it's split into two main parts: active contacts and inactive contacts. This setup is really helpful because it keeps your current contacts front and center while tucking away the ones you're not actively working with. Let's look at what you can do here. At the top of the screen, you'll find some handy tools. There's a New Contact button when you need to add someone, plus a search bar and filters to help you find exactly who you're looking for. You can even group your contacts in different ways using the Group By feature. Now, the main table is where all your contact information lives. Each row shows you everything you need to know about a contact: their name, email, which company they're from, any deals you're working on with them, and their phone number. What's really effective is how it ties everything together. This gives you a quick snapshot of not just who your contacts are, but also the business opportunities they represent. To add a new contact quickly, just use the Add Contact option at the bottom of either the active or inactive sections. This might seem like a lot to take in at first, but once you start using it, you'll see how it makes managing your sales relationships much easier. After organizing the contacts, now is the time to put your hands on the deals. The Deals section is smartly organized into different categories, with active deals at the top and closed-won deals below. This layout gives you a clear picture of what's currently in your pipeline and what you've already successfully closed. When you're looking at active deals, you'll see all the important information laid out in columns. There's the deal name, its current stage like discovery, proposal, or new, who owns the deal value, and who your contact is. You can also track expected close dates, the probability of closing, and forecast values. Super helpful for planning your sales targets. What's really useful is how the system keeps running totals for you. This gives you a quick snapshot of both your potential and actual revenue. To add a new deal, click that blue New Deal button at the top, or use the Add Deal option within each section. And if you need to organize things differently, you've got Search, Filter, and Group By options right at your fingertips. The best part is how everything's connected. You can see exactly who's involved in each deal and track every interaction. Now let us show you around the Leads section in Monday's CRM. This is where you'll track all your potential customers from the moment they show interest. Just like the other sections, Monday keeps everything neatly arranged in a table format. But you can always change the view from the Add View button. It will show you different view options like Gantt and Kanban. Looking at the New Leads section, you can see how it tracks everything you need to know about a potential customer. The table gives you all the essential information at a glance: the lead's name, their current status, company details, job title, contact information, and when you last interacted with them. The Lead Submission Form tab at the top suggests you can create custom forms to capture new leads automatically. Plus, with the Automate option, you can probably set up some clever workflows to handle your leads more efficiently. Then come the accounts. When you first open the Accounts section, you'll notice it's labeled as Companies in the main view, which makes perfect sense since this is where you track all your business accounts. Each account shows you the associated contacts and deals right there in the table. This makes it easy to segment and filter your accounts by sector. For efficient results, you need to manage your client projects properly. The layout of the Client Projects tab is designed to give you a clear overview of all your projects, split between new projects and completed ones. What's really neat about this section is how it displays your project information. Each project row shows you several key pieces of information: the project name, who owns it, the priority level, timeline, current status, associated deals, contact person, and the related account. This gives you a complete picture of each project at a glance. You'll like its ability to break down projects into subtasks. When you expand a project, you can see all the related tasks underneath it, each with its own owner, status, and due date. You can also view your projects in different ways, as we've already said. The Gantt view is particularly helpful when you want to see your project timelines visually. The priority levels are color-coded, which makes it easy to spot high-priority projects quickly. Similarly, the status column uses different colors to help you instantly understand where each project stands, whether it's working on it, not started, or somewhere in between. Think of the Activities tab as your digital logbook for keeping track of all your customer interactions and engagements. You have a sophisticated control panel with several important tools. The New Activity button is your starting point for logging any new interaction. The main content area displays your activities in a spreadsheet-like format with several columns. Each row represents a single activity that shows important details like the activity type, such as phone calls or meetings, who owns the task, when it starts and ends, its current status, and any related items. The status column uses color coding like green for done and blue for open to give you a quick visual overview of where things stand. At the very bottom, there's an Add New Group option, which helps you organize activities into separate sections based on your team's needs, perhaps by project, client, or department. You do a lot of things in your business, but when it comes to the results, all you want to see is numbers. So think of the dashboard as your sales compass that helps you navigate your business's direction. At the very top, you'll find your key performance indicators. These give you an immediate snapshot of your sales health. Things like your forecasted revenue from active deals, the average value of deals you've won, and your actual revenue. These numbers tell you at a glance whether you're on track to meet your goals. Moving down, you'll see a really insightful pie chart showing your deal status distribution. This visualization helps you understand how your deals are spread across different stages of your sales pipeline. One of the most valuable features is the pipeline conversion chart. This shows you how deals progress through your sales stages, from initial contact to closing. Think of it as a story of your sales journey, showing you where deals typically move smoothly and where they might get stuck. This information is incredibly useful for identifying bottlenecks in your sales process. The dashboard also includes temporal views of your performance. You can track your actual revenue by month, which helps you spot trends and seasonality in your sales. Similarly, the forecasted revenue by month helps you look ahead and plan accordingly. These charts work together to give you both historical perspective and future outlook. For team management, there's a section showing deals by representative, helping you understand individual performance and workload distribution. The deal progress chart based on when deals were added gives you insight into how quickly deals are moving through your pipeline. What makes the dashboard of Monday actually powerful is its customizability. You can add widgets, filter information, and adjust the view to focus on what matters most to your business. In fact, you can edit some numbers manually in your dashboard, which is very rare in other CRMs. So what we showed is the basics of Monday. It doesn't end here. Monday has a lot more to offer. But if you're a beginner and you've completed our video, then it's more than enough to get started with Monday CRM. Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more CRM tutorials like this.